In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok to predict the NBA Finals in 2026. Now, Grok is a sophisticated tool that allows you to make predictions based on data analysis and trends, which is perfect for those of you eager to make informed guesses about upcoming sporting events. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get you started. First things first, we need to head over to Google. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to google.com. Once you're there, look for the search bar. This is where you'll type in the keyword Grok. Grok is designed to help you analyze trends and predict outcomes effectively. Now, with Grok typed into the search bar, hit Enter, and you should see several search results pop up. Look for the official Grok website in the results list. You'll recognize it by its trustworthy domain name. Go ahead and click that link. This takes you straight to the Grok homepage, where the real fun begins. Once you've reached the Grok website, you'll want to create a prompt or query. This is crucial because the quality and accuracy of Grok's prediction are directly related to the specifics of your prompt. So let's make our query as detailed as possible. Here's a prompt suggestion. Predict the 2026 NBA Finals matchup. Which two teams will face off? Who will win the championship? And in how many games will the series be decided? Remember to ask for a detailed explanation including key players, team strengths, and what factors could most influence the outcome. This kind of detailed inquiry helps generate a more comprehensive prediction, giving you insights into potential outcomes. After you have crafted your prompt, the next step is to submit it. On the Grok website, there is a clear and visible button labeled Submit. Click this button, and Grok will begin processing your query. Behind the scenes, Grok's algorithms analyze the data and trends to come up with a prediction based on your input. It might take a moment, but soon you'll receive an output prediction, complete with detailed explanations. Remember, while Grok provides a well-informed prediction, the actual outcome can still vary. Factors such as player injuries, unexpected team performance, and other variables can always come into play. These predictions are based on current data and trends, making them excellent insights for planning your watching schedule, friendly debates, or even fantasy leagues. And there you have it, your guide to using Grok to try and foresee the future of the NBA in 2026. Whether you're a fan, a sports analyst, or simply curious, Grok opens up a world of possibilities for understanding and predicting sporting events. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll join the conversation by sharing your predictions and insights. Happy predicting!